1995 Ford Taurus GL with the light blue paint job. Alloy wheels. GL. Power windows and locks. Power mirrors. $253,000 miles, 999. Lights. I'm gonna do startup on this. Just fixed the battery terminals on this. Has the 3-liter V6 from Ford. Let me see how it starts up. What the key looks like. Don't think it's the original one. This thing has some miles, has some defects, but a great car. 95 Taurus. You don't get an RPM gauge in the GL. Drives great. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do a 0 to 60 test. Runs and drives great. Transmission still shifts smooth. Engine still has power. Has power. That'll be it for this video. Till next time, see you guys later.